What's the best thing to come out of Belgium? Before we start exploring Belgium, let's clear one thing up. Yes, French fries are actually Belgian. The French just took the name. While we were frying, they were just watching. But while these delicious squares of heaven are a great reason to visit, Brussels offers so much more. Picture yourself strolling through the bustling Grand Place, surrounded by stunning architecture and vibrant street life. The energy here is palpable, and every corner you turn reveals a new surprise. This dynamic city, often overlooked, is bursting with history, culture, and charm. From its historic buildings that tell tales of centuries past, to its modern art installations that push the boundaries of creativity, Brussels is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new. Brussels is like that hidden gem tucked away in a dusty attic. Its quaint streets and hidden alleyways are filled with colorful houses and secret spots waiting to be discovered. Every step you take feels like uncovering a piece of a beautiful, intricate puzzle. You never knew it was there, but once you find it, you can't believe you lived without it. The joy of exploring Brussels lies in these unexpected moments of discovery, where every turn brings a new delight. That's the magic of Brussels. As the sun sets and the city lights up, the charm of Brussels becomes even more enchanting. The evening view of the city, with its twinkling lights and lively atmosphere, is something you won't want to miss. So, ditch those preconceived notions about boring bureaucracy. Brussels is a city that defies expectations. Its modern buildings stand proudly alongside historic architecture, creating a unique and captivating skyline. And let's not forget the beautiful parks like Parc du Cinquantenaire, where you can relax and soak in the beauty of nature. Brussels is ready to charm you with its stunning architecture, world-class cuisine, and a vibrant energy that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking for a new adventure, Brussels has something for everyone. Get ready to be surprised because Brussels is calling. Pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and prepare to fall in love with this incredible city. Your adventure in Brussels awaits. Every city has a story, and Brussels is no exception. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. Its streets echo with tales of the past, and its buildings stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history. Dating back to the 10th century, this city has seen it all: empires rise and fall, wars fought and won, and the birth of nations. From the medieval times when it was a small fortress town, Brussels has grown and evolved, adapting to the changing tides of history. From its humble beginnings as a trading post, Brussels rose to become a center of power and influence. The city's strategic location at the crossroads of Europe made it a prime spot for trade and commerce, attracting merchants, artists, and intellectuals from far and wide. The city's strategic location made it a prime spot for trade and commerce, attracting merchants, artists, and intellectuals from far and wide. The bustling markets and vibrant cultural scene turned Brussels into a hub of activity and innovation. But Brussels wasn't always about power suits and politics. The city has a rich tradition of festivals, parades, and public celebrations that bring its streets to life. From medieval fairs to modern-day carnivals, the spirit of festivity is deeply ingrained in the city's culture. This city knows how to have a good time too. Whether it's enjoying a night out at a local cafe, listening to street musicians, or dancing the night away, Brussels offers a vibrant nightlife that caters to all tastes. The Grand Place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, has been the stage for centuries of celebrations, festivals, and even the occasional revolution. This iconic square, with its stunning architecture and rich history, is the beating heart of Brussels, where the past and present come together in a harmonious blend. Brussels is a city of delightful contrasts, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every street has a surprise waiting for you. One moment you're marveling at the grandeur of the Grand Place, with its ornate guild halls and shimmering gold leaf. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is often considered one of the most beautiful squares in Europe, a testament to the city's rich history and architectural prowess. The next, you're lost in the charming alleys of the Marolles district, hunting for antique treasures and sipping coffee at cozy sidewalk cafes. This area is a treasure trove for those who love vintage finds and unique boutiques, offering a glimpse into the local lifestyle and culture. Don't miss the iconic Mannequin Piz, a small statue of a peeing boy that has become a symbol of the city's quirky humor. This little statue has a big reputation, often dressed in various costumes and celebrated in local festivals. Legend has it that the statue commemorates a young boy who extinguished a fire by, well, you can guess the rest. This playful legend adds a touch of whimsy to the city's historical narrative, making it a must-see for visitors. And speaking of quirky, Brussels is a haven for art lovers. The city is brimming with galleries, museums, and street art that cater to all tastes and preferences. From the surrealist masterpieces of René Magritte to the comic book murals that adorn many buildings, Brussels celebrates the unconventional and the imaginative. The city's art scene is a vibrant tapestry that reflects its diverse and dynamic spirit, inviting you to explore and be inspired at every turn. Section 4. Atomium. A journey into the future, built in the past. No trip to Brussels is complete without a visit to the Atomium. This iconic structure, built for the 1958 World's Fair, is a testament to Belgium's engineering prowess and forward-thinking spirit. Imagine a giant iron crystal, magnified 165 billion times. That's the Atomium. Each sphere houses exhibitions, events, and even a restaurant with panoramic views of the city. Standing beneath the soaring spheres of the Atomium, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's a reminder that even in the midst of history and tradition, Brussels is a city that embraces innovation and looks to the future. Section 5. Chocolate dreams and beer delights. Indulge your senses. Prepare for a sensory overload, because Brussels is a paradise for foodies. Let's start with the obvious. Chocolate. Belgian chocolate is world-renowned, and for good reason. From the moment you step off the plane, the aroma of rich, decadent chocolate will tantalize your taste buds. Indulge in handcrafted pralines, truffles and chocolate bars from artisan chocolatiers, each bite a symphony of flavor and texture. But the culinary delights don't stop there. Brussels boasts a thriving beer culture with hundreds of varieties brewed in the city and surrounding areas. From fruity lambics to strong Trappist ales, there's a beer for every palate. Section 6. Beyond the tourist trail, unveiling the soul of Brussels. While the main attractions are certainly worth a visit, the true spirit of Brussels lies in its neighborhoods. Take a stroll through the elegant streets of Ixelles, with its Art Nouveau architecture and trendy boutiques. Explore the multicultural Matange district, a melting pot of flavors, aromas, and sounds from around the world. Here, you'll find authentic African restaurants, vibrant street art, and a lively atmosphere. For a taste of local life, head to the Place du Jeu de Balle, home to a daily flea market. You'll find everything from vintage clothing and antique furniture to quirky souvenirs and bric-a-brac. Section 7. Brussels awaits. Your Belgian adventure starts now. So, there you have it. Brussels is a city that defies expectations. It's a place where history and modernity collide beautifully, where grandeur and quirkiness coexist harmoniously, and where culinary delights await around every corner. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, Brussels has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your appetite for adventure and curiosity, and get ready to discover the magic of Brussels.